Hi guys, today we're working on a 2008 Outback Legacy. They made this body style from 2005 to 2009. The only difference, the taillights changed from amber to clear and from 08 to 09. They will fit. So what I'm showing you here on the 2008 will apply to 2005 to 2009 body style Outback Legacy. So we'll remove the right rear tail light, be the passenger side. Simple tools around the house, nothing major needed. Type of Phillips, most of them have them in the toolkit. There's one clip here, one clip here. They twist off. Twist one time and the screw will just pop out. Same here. That popped out, and then you can go ahead and flip it to your flat side, or you might even just do it by your hand. It'll come out. This plastic piece needs to come out, and it's a little weird because it clips into the tail light. These little clips right here, one right here, and the easiest way was my flathead down here, and just press. Don't lean on this, you'll break this. This is very, very brittle. Don't lean on the tail light. After you remove this plastic piece, there's two 10s right here. One and two, and you can go ahead and hold it, and instead of pulling it out this way, rock it back and forth very slowly. It will come out. There's a channel here. This guy slides into this clip over here. Two of them on this model. The plug for this is in here. I don't recommend taking all this apart unless you want to take the wiring off with the tail light. You know, seal right here. You can hang the tail light down so it doesn't fall. You can, let's pop this puppy off first, because this is just on clips. Just these three clips. One screw here. Pull that out. And then there's one more 10 down here, which, see right there? You take that 10 out. You couldn't get in with the clip. It's on a bunch of clips. So these guys. So you can get a clip remover underneath there, whatever. Get that out of the way. Some of you guys might have a speaker. Some of you guys might just have a little cover thing. This has a speaker version. If you pull it out enough to where you can get in here. This is also on some clips. This one obviously got left back. There's one screw right here. It's way in there. Plastic guys. Move this out of the way. If you can get this thing pulled over enough to not damage any of it, there's a little clip right here. If you push down, right here, and you can unpin it, and there's a tail light. The only reason why we took all that apart is to unplug it from here. If you were just replacing the tail light, just undo these guys and replace the tail light and leave the harness and everything else plugged in, so you don't have to get that far into it. But if you want to replace the harness and everything, that's how I would do it.